How to fall asleep fast. Do you find yourself struggling to get a good night's sleep? Are you one of those people who lie in bed, tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling and hoping that sleep takes over? If so, you'll be glad to know you're not alone. Most of us experience exactly what you're going through. The thing is, failure to get good quality sleep at night can affect your health and even your life as a whole. This is just how it is. But the good news is, you can actually get your beauty sleep and feel great while you're at it. You only have to take your time to learn how to fall asleep fast. So what's next? Well, it's time to explore a number of ways you can quickly hit the pillow and, of course, drift away into a deep rest. Let's get started. 1. Have a warm bath. For starters, you can treat yourself to a warm bath. This will help you relax and get yourself together. Just be sure to cool yourself in a low-temperature room afterward and watch how quickly you'll fall asleep. It's as simple as that. 2. Put on comfortable clothing. Did you know that what you wear can affect how fast you fall asleep at night? Well, it actually does. Tight or binding pajamas can make you restless and uncomfortable at night. And that's not part of the plan. With that in mind, it's in your best interest to make a switch to loose and cool PJs. These should help you fall asleep in no time. 3. Eliminate noise. It's also an excellent idea to turn down the TV or radio, and even your phone or computer. All of these can disrupt your sleep pattern and, of course, keep your eyelids wide open all night. 4. Turn off the lights. Do you know that even the tiniest amount of light can interrupt your sleep at night? Well, light can actually interfere with sleep hormones and stimulate the brain to wake up. That said, it's in your best interest to always dim the lights, or better yet, wear an eye mask. 5. Choose quality bedding. Here's the thing. It's always a great idea to invest in a high-quality, super comfortable mattress. Your body deserves it. Quality bedding and super soft sheets will relax your body to fall asleep in no time. 6. Try aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is yet another excellent way to soothe your mind, body, and soul. The calm it brings is equal to none. The good thing is there are several different scents you can choose from, including lavender, vanilla, sandalwood, to name a few. It's all up to you to pick the one that tickles your fancy and, of course, use in the air or on your pillow. 7. Eat right. Finally, it's in your best to make your dinner as light as it can be. Heavy meals are likely to take a toll on your digestive system and make it difficult to fall asleep. That said, it's great to eat light snacks like Greek yogurt, hummus, and bananas before bedtime. These should make your system happy and, of course, help you sleep better. And that's it. These are just a few of the many ways to fall asleep at night. Of course, there are still other things you can try, including soothing beverages, reading beautiful novels, and even doing yoga. It's all about relaxing your body. All in all, we really do hope you have a good night's sleep.